Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the unmountable boot volume blue screen error on Windows. First, you need to enter the Windows recovery environment. Turn on your PC, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button to force the computer to shut down. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. On the next startup, Windows should automatically open the automatic repair screen. When the recovery screen appears, click Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot. After that, choose Startup Repair and let Windows check for startup problems automatically. Once the repair process is complete, restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, return to the recovery environment using the same method. Go to Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type chkdsk/f/r and press Enter. This command scans your drive for file system errors and bad sectors and attempts to repair them. If your Windows installation is on a different drive letter, replace C with the correct drive letter. If Windows asks whether you want to dismount the volume or schedule the scan for the next restart, type Y and press Enter. When the scan is complete, type Exit, press Enter, and restart your computer. If none of these methods solves the problem, the issue could be related to hardware. Check that the hard drive or SSD data cable is securely connected to the motherboard. Thanks for watching.